Thank you so much for inviting me.
My pleasure, Servilia. I insisted you come. Whatever misfortune befalls you, we're still friends, no? Tis a good cosmetic slave, I grant you, but a lover for Caesar? Absurd.
Make way for the proconsul Gaius Julius Caesar, son of Venus, Imperator of the Gallic legions. Stand aside and open up!
Please, you mocked me. It's only your Uncle Gaius. Lift your heads. All of you, lift your heads. My dear niece.
Revered uncle, welcome. Welcome home.
Servilia of the Junii, a pleasant honor it is.
Delightful. Your pleasure is mine.
I'm very sorry your son is not here with you.
I'm sorry also. I hope you will forgive his absence. He is ever your friend.
I understand completely. Please send Brutus my best regards and assure him he will never have reason to regret our friendship. Nor will any of you, regardless of where your allegiances may have lain in the past. Wife?
Cecilia.
Tell me, how is Cecilia?
She's healthy, I thank you.
Good. I recall I forgot her last birthday.
Her birthday?
Remiss of me, I know. Perhaps she would forgive my rudeness were I to send her a gift.
Oh, really? That's not necessary.
Hard to find the right gift for a woman, eh? What one loves, another scorns.
Perhaps she would accept some money.
There's an idea. 100,000 sestertii, say?
Oh, that's very kind of you. I'm afraid my wife is a woman of expensive tastes.
Best women often are.
150,000.
She would dress her slaves in silk if I would let her. She eats oysters for breakfast. Daily.
She should be most careful. People often choke on oysters.
200,000.
That is a very generous and I may say appropriate gift. She would be under great obligation to you.
To think well of me would be her only obligation.
She's always thought well of you. It is not unethical she continued to do so.
We understand each other. Make a note of it. 200 to the chief augur.
Thinks he's Midas, the loon.